Roblox might load fine on your iPhone, but connection drops can spoil your game. Many players just wait, not knowing it can be fixed quickly. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the Roblox connection lost problem on iPhone. Let's get it fixed now. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router if using Wi-Fi. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn off VPN. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on the General. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, make sure that your VPN is not connected. Solution 2. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link, then tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Now search Roblox. Next, tap Roblox from here. Then scroll down. Here you can see whether the official Roblox app is down or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open settings once again. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.